guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we will do some fun neon ombre, especially for salon work, especially for the summertime that is approaching. Hopefully we will all be able to travel to some nice Mediterranean or tropical places, so I thought this video would be super fun to do, and it's super quick. I think it's perfect for salons, so gives you a good time to practice before all of this is over. So if you want to learn more, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Okay guys, so here I have prepared some of my favorite neon colors, which would be those for here. I do like neon green as well, but those would be kind of my go-to neon colors. I think on the camera a few of them look quite similar on the camera on the top, but from this one I see here it's actually showing the real color. So here we have neon pink, then we have neon coral, let's say, then yellow and neon orange. So to get that lovely summer looking nail, I think it's always fun to mix and match them so you can get like nice ombre effect. So that's what we are gonna do today. The brush that I'm going to be using is from Crystal Nails. This one is Nero Merlo #1. That's my always go-to brush when I have to apply gel colors or pigments of some sort that come in the liquid texture. So let's start without further ado. So I think I'm gonna mix this one, which would be like a corally color, and I think it would go nice with really neon orange color. Okay, later we can maybe mix and match some other colors as well. But first step, you have to buff the tip when you're working with nail art tips. So this is just for the display. This is not to attach on the nail or any sort. So this is just to show the design for your clients when they come to choose the color. So I will start with the with the coral color, and I will start to apply it until middle half of this tip. Just pulling it down, doesn't have to be perfect, just lightly. Okay, just like that. So that's my first step. In the meantime, I just clean my brush and I will go to the orange color as well. While I'm doing this, I'm just gonna put a lid on all the colors now that I'm not using, and I'm gonna start to use that orange color. Oh, okay, there you go. Now you can see the difference on this camera as well, and on this one. Okay, and I'm gonna just color the bottom half of this nail. The border line is gonna lightly start to touch now. Okay, just like that. Okay, now I'm gonna lightly start to pull that pink on the orange, but I will take a tiny bit first on my brush. So there is quite a few different ways of doing ombre. This is just my take on salon work. if I'm not working with gel polish, if I'm working with gel colors, then I do a little bit differently the way I'm showing you now. And this is actually my favorite because I think it's the quickest way. Okay, so I just took a little bit of that color back on my brush and just lightly I start to stretch it down. Okay, I will clean my brush on my glove now. I'm gonna dip a little bit back into the first color, which was the coral, and stretching down. Okay, going back again. I want to take color from the top, but I do want to stretch the rest down. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of that orange back, and we're gonna stretch it again. So going back to coral. Okay, so this is the first step, and I'm gonna pop that in a lamp. Make sure that your colors are not close to the light, because you don't wanna cure the colors. So I'm just gonna put the lids back on, and I'm gonna put it in for 1 minute cure. Clean my glove, clean my brush in the meantime as well. And we're gonna do a second layer. This look really looks cool when it's matte. It looks cool when it's shiny as well. There is so many possibilities. Okay guys, so this is the first layer that we did after has been cured in a lamp. Let's do a second layer just so we can get that full pigment back a little bit more. And I'm gonna basically do the same thing. You see, it's super easy. There is no much to it. It will look beautiful, but you have to make sure that the colors you are using don't have too much contrast between each other, because if they do, then you're never gonna get that nice ombre. So when you're using pastels, it's always nice to use all the colors you're blending pastels. So when you're using neons, then neons, if that makes any sense. Dipping back my brush into orange. Okay, touching the borderline, going back to that pink a little bit, stretching down, and voila, beautiful. You can see no line is visible, and it's super pretty and super fast. Okay, let's pop this baby back in a lamp for 1 minute. Make sure everything is closed and not close to the light. I will show you as well how it looks matte and how it looks shiny. So first I'll do matte, and then on top of the matte I will do a shiny top coat. So matte and shiny. Okay, so the matte that I like to use is from Crystal Nails. This one is called Matte Ever Top Coat. Super good, no sticky layer, and makes the whole thing super matte. But when working on clients, I like to use it in 2 layers. I think it's just always better with any matte top coat to put 2 thin layers, because you know it's matte, all the scratches can be super visible after some period of time. So 2 layers really help with that. And my all-time favorite, white. So let's do first matte. Okay, so actually now this color that I'm using from Crystal, once they're dried from the lamp, they're not sticky, so you can actually see how it looks like when it's shiny. But let's jazz it up a bit and let's use matte. I think matte nails are popular at the moment. I love to do them. I think they're super cool, especially as well with nude colors. I think it just gives it, I don't know, wow, that's really nice effect of even more natural looking nail. Even though I do like shiny as well, so I don't know. Love them all, cannot choose just one. Okay, so this is just curing. When you start to apply this, first it's shiny, but then once it's dry from the lamp, then it becomes matte, which I think is super cool. I'm actually looking in the lamp and it's pretty cool to see the process of this turning matte. So you'll see it in a second. Alrighty, so here it is. This is the matte. This is the matte version. See, it's super beautiful. I show it to this camera here as well. You can see. Super pretty. And I think it's perfect for summertime, and honestly for salon work is super fast, and I think your clients are gonna be happy, and then you can do whatever summer design that you want. I'm gonna have a second video for a quick salon summer design, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this channel just to keep me going, and I hope you all have a lovely day, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.